Hi, I'm Harry, Head of Product at Messente, and today I'm going to take you through creating WhatsApp templates and then using them with the Messente API. So to start with, you want to log into your WhatsApp manager within the Meta portal. And over on the left-hand side, you've got a section called Manage Templates. You can click into that, and that will then show you the list of templates you've already got, if you've already created any. And then to create a new one, just hit Create up there. Next thing it's going to ask you is, what are you using this template for? Is it a marketing template for doing any kind of promotional activity, a utility template for any kind of customer or account communication, or authentication for kind of one-time passwords? So we're going to choose marketing, and we're going to choose custom and hit next, and that will then take us into the wizard. We can give the template a name, choose a language, and then you've got various options about using different headers, filling in the body of the text, including variable parameters if you want, and then finally adding buttons. When you create a new template, there's then a approval process whilst that template is checked over by Meta to make sure they're happy with it. But it's usually very quick, usually a matter of minutes, and that template will be ready to set. If I wanted to then use one of these, all I need to know is the name of it, the language, and any variable parameters I've got to use it within the API. So we've got this template here called Simple Test. If I then go into look at my API query, this is then the Omnichannel API. We're saying we're going to channel WhatsApp. We've chosen our correct sender, which is the WhatsApp phone number associated with my account. And then it's asking for information about the template I want to use. So I want to use the one called Simple Test. It was in English GB, so I'm going to choose that. And then it included 2 parameters, so I'm going to include them in down below. Click send, and that message would then be delivered.